Magandang umaga, o magandang hapon, o magandang gabi, o anumang oras na panoodin nyo ang video ito. Welcome to our channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Lalo na sa ating mga bagong viewers, welcome kayong lahat sa YouTube na ito. Ang topic natin ngayong umaga ay equation of perpendicular lines. Equation of straight line 1 that is perpendicular to line 2 with equation of y equals m sub 1 x plus b is y equals negative 1 over m sub 1 x plus c, where b and c are y-intercept. This means that the slope of perpendicular lines is a negative reciprocal of the other line, and that is m sub 2 is equal to negative 1 over m sub 1, where the product of m sub 2 times m sub 1 is equal to negative 1. Example number 1. Determine the equation of line A that passes through point 3, 7 if it is perpendicular to line B with an equation of y equals negative 2/3 x plus 9. So, this is our solution. So, ang given natin, ang line A is a point 3, passes to the point 3, 7, and that is x sub 1 equals 3 and y sub 1 is 7. At ang line B, ang given natin ay equation wherein the slope of line B is negative 2/3 based on the point slope format. But m sub A is equal to negative 1 over m sub B, and that is equals to negative 1 over negative 2/3, or that is 3/2. So using the formula y equals m times x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1, we will replace the value to that formula. So, ang atin pong m sub A is 3/2 times x minus 3 plus 7, since the x sub 1 or the point 1 is x natin ay 3 at ang ating y ay 7. Distribute natin si 3/2, so we have 3/2 x minus 9 over 2 plus 7. So, we have to solve the fraction 9/2 plus 7. So, gagawin natin yung 7 para ma-plus natin sa 9, dapat naging fraction din. So, using the less common denominator, 2 and 1, ang 1 ay denominator ng 7. So, that is 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 7 is 14. So, that is 14 over 2. So, negative 9 plus 14, makombine natin, and that is positive 5 over 2. So, y equals 3/2 x plus 5/2, pwede na po siya naging equation. Yun na po, pwede na rin maging sagot natin yan. Pero kung gusto pa natin i-simplify para mawala po yung fraction form, so ang gagawin po natin, we have to multiply 2 both sides of the equation. Okay, so that is 2 times y equals 3/2 plus x plus 5/2. So distribute natin si 2, so that is 2y equals 3x plus 5. So ganoon na po. And then rearrange natin, that is 3x minus 2y equals negative 5. So, ibig sabihin, si 2y, ilipat natin katabi ng 3x, so maging negative, at tapos yung 5, ilipat po natin, o transpose natin on the other side of the equation, so dahil siya, negative 5 siya. So, pwede na rin yan ang maging final answer natin. Okay, so ibig sabihin, the perpendicular lines, yung equation po ng y equals negative 2/3 x plus 9 is equal to 3x minus 2y equals negative 5. Example 2. Determine the equation of line C that passes through point negative 1, comma, negative 5 if it is perpendicular to line D that passes to point 5, comma 2 and 7, comma 10. Na ang given natin, ang atin pong line D, okay, ang line D natin is at point 5, comma 2 wherein x sub 1 is 5 and y sub 1 is 2. Ang point 2 niya ay 7, comma 10. So, wherein the x sub 2 is 7 and y sub 2 is 10. Now, kapag ganong case ang nakikita natin, so ang gagawin natin, yung isang line, itong line D, kukunin natin yung slope. Okay? So, again, the slope is the rise over the run. So, ang ating rise is 10 minus 2. Ang ating run ay 7 minus 5. So, 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 5 is 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay? So, ngayon, ang atin pong point C, o line C, line C, ang point natin is negative 1, comma, negative 5, wherein x sub 1 is negative 1 and y sub 1 is negative 5. Tapos, yung atin pong slope, no, ng m sub C is equal to negative 1 over m sub D, and that is equal to negative 1 over 4, or the negative 1/4, no? And using the formula, substitute po natin dun sa ating formula yung lahat po ng value na necessary. So, ang m sub C is negative 1/4 times x minus negative 1 plus negative 5. So, yung point na yan ay yun po yung ating line C. I-distribute natin sa negative 1/4. So, that is negative 1/4 x. Tapos, negative 1 times negative dun sa loob sa parenthesis. So, that is positive 1 times negative 1/4. Kaya negative 1/4 minus 5. Again, fraction po si 1/4. Tapos, combine natin kay negative 5. So, si 5 gawin natin din fraction. And that is equal to 20 over 4. So, kapag i-20 divide 4, that is 5. No, 5 pa rin siya. Okay, so, negative 1 minus 20, that is negative 21. Okay, so negative 1/4 x minus negative 21 over 4. So again, pwede na rin siyang ating maging sagot. So pero kailang para pwede natin tanggalin yung ating mga denominator na 4. So multiply 4 both side. Okay, so that is 4y. Ayan, so multiply natin sa 4. So, ang pag-distribute natin si 4. So, that is 4y equals negative x minus 21. Tapos, i-transpose natin si x, negative x doon kay 4y. So, magiging x plus 4y equals negative 21. So, pwede na rin yan ang ating magiging final answer. Example 3. Determine the equation of line A that passes through point 15, 6 if it is perpendicular to line B with a slope of m equals negative 3. So, ang line A natin is located at or passes to point 15, 6. And that is x sub 1 is 15, y sub 1 is 6. Line B natin, ang kanyang slope ay negative 3. So, therefore, the slope of line A is equal to negative 1 over m sub B, or equals negative 1 divided by negative 3, or that is 1/3. So, using the formula y equals m times x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1, we have to substitute all the data in using the line A. So, ang ating slope ng line A is 1/3 times x minus 15 plus 6. So that is, ang 1/3 natin, distribute natin, so that is 1/3 x minus 5 plus 6. Ang 5 is nakuha natin sa, yung negative 15 is divided by 3, kaya naging 5 na lang. So pwede na rin yan na magiging final answer natin, itong 1/3 x plus 1. So, negative 5 plus 1 negative 5 plus 6, so that is positive 1. No? So, y equals 1/3 x plus 1. So, yun yung ating equation of the perpendicular line A doon sa line B. No? Okay, now this is your activity. Pwede ito sagutan at pwede kayong mag-comment sa ating comment section. Yan. So, 1 to 7 po ang ating problem set. Okay. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned from this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Maraming salamat and God bless you.